Chinese archaeologists have managed to obtain genetic material from an ancient human skeleton dating back 6,000 years. The discovery of the genetic material will provide scientists with the opportunity to fill a gap in the study of genomics in the southern region of China in ancient times. A team of Chinese archaeologists has successfully obtained genetic material from a human skeleton discovered in the city of Wuxi, in the eastern Chinese province of Jiangsu. This skeleton is 6,000 years old and belongs to a man from the Mejayabang Neolithic culture. This discovery will enable scientists to address a gap in genomic research in ancient southern China, which had been previously complicated by environmental factors and a lack of preservation measures. This achievement is the result of archaeological investigations that began in the lower Yangtze River region in April 2022. During these excavations, researchers identified 106 sites showcasing human activities, including 2 tombs. In these burial sites, remains were found and will be analyzed to understand migration patterns and genetic composition in this area and its surroundings. Du Panxin, a scientist from the Institute of Archaeology at Fudan University, explained to the local newspaper Jiangnan Evening News that this discovery serves as a crucial reference for understanding the origin and migration of prehistoric cultures in the lower Yangtze River region. However, ancient DNA data in the Yangtze River basin is still scarce, so it is essential to continue conducting this type of research. The genetic material reveals patterns of movement in ancient Asia. Wen Xiaoqing, the leader of the archaeological expedition, explained that by comparing the sample discovered in Wuxi with mitochondrial DNA data found at other ancient archaeological sites, researchers concluded that the genetic information was identical to that obtained from mausoleums in different regions, such as northern Vietnam, 4,000 to 2,000 years ago, northern Laos, 3,000 years ago, Indonesia, 2,000 years ago, the Philippines, 1,800 years ago, Guangxi in China, 1,500 years ago, and northern Thailand, 2,500 to 800 years ago. The name Mejayabang comes from a locality of the same name located in Nanhu, a province in eastern China, where the first traces of this culture were discovered in 1959. Archaeological analyses indicate that the Mejayabang culture initially had a social system based on matriarchy. They later affiliated with the Songsa civilization before evolving into a patrilineal society at its most advanced stage. Finally, it achieved the status of a state civilization after merging with the highly developed Liangzhu society in the Yangtze River Delta at the end of the Neolithic period. The milestone was announced during the inauguration of the East China Workstation at the key research base of the National Cultural Relics Office in Wuxi. This new headquarters will conduct scientific and technological research, strengthen preventive preservation, and undertake cultural relic rescue efforts in the region, with the aim of enriching our understanding of ancient civilizations in southern China.